not been postponed. So the different angle is that I have seen a tweet over there by a very renowned personality. I would not like to take the name, but it says that if JEE Main and NEET is not conducted in the month of September, then some education mafias will be at a great loss. Then who are these education mafias? And why we are politicizing education? Why we are politicizing the future of students? It's just a matter of their health. And we can't compromise the students' health. They are the future of this country. And if we compromise the students' health, we are indirectly compromising with the future of this country. And why we are giving every situation a political angle? Why politics over each and every topic?
No, 1 minute. Very critical point raised. I'd like Dr. K.K. Agarwal and Zafar Sareshwala to respond to that. 1 minute.
Going to be compromised.
No. 1 minute. No. Sudesh, the student spoke about the fact that commercial interests are being protected.
No.
He feels that you are protecting commercial interests. I don't know, but hear him. No, don't dismiss everything. I'd like Dr. K.K. Agarwal, President of the Confederation of Medical Associations, to respond to you, please. Dr. Agarwal, you heard the student. He's saying education mafia is being protected and that's why you're forcing the exam now. Yes, please, Dr. Agarwal.
So medically, there is no reason to postpone. Number one, number of cases are not going to reduce in the next 2 months. They are going to increase. So when you are taking a plea, there are so many cases are there today. 2 months from now, the number of cases will be more and not less. We don't expect the pandemic to reduce in the next 2 months. So earlier the better. Either you decide we are not going to have examination for the next 2 years, which cannot happen. Nothing is going to change. People have got already 6 months to plan, and with the proper medical guidelines, there is no risk. There is no risk. There is no. Vaccine is not the answer. Vaccine is not the answer. Vaccine is not going to be the answer.
Okay. May I request you, Varun? 1 minute. May I request you, Varun? Just wait, Monojit.
At one point in time.
Yeah, what were you saying, Monojit?
Yes, let me come in for a moment or no.
Monojit, I just want to ask you.
What I'm saying is
want to ask
clear.
you, are you
could not be held in the month of April. It was already postponed for 5 months. It can be postponed for 3 more months. Well, there is a possibility of vaccines coming in the market.
There is no date for a vaccine.
In the month of December.
There is no date for a vaccine.
I'm an academic. I also come from an engineering college.
But there is no date for a vaccine.
One of the most reputed engineering colleges in the country, Jadov University. No classes are being held at this point in time. Where will the students go? Even if the examination takes place, no classes are being held at this point in time. Teachers are not willing to take classes, and rightly so. Why will the students go? Please answer the question.
But batches of students through online or otherwise, or a combination of the both, are beginning their academic years. What are you saying? The argument being put on the other side is, are you ready for a 0 year? Mandar is responding. Mandar and Zafar. First Mandar.
You cannot lose engineers. Sir,
I'm sorry. You can't take medical courses through online.
Sir,
I'm sorry.
Top companies of the world.
Engineering courses through online. This is just a supplement to the main courses that we can't have because of the pandemic. Online courses are not replacement for physical courses.
Sir, please try to understand. You will destroy the top minds of India. You are acting against the top minds, the cream of India. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
More than 1 lakh students' life. There is you can potentially destroy students' life. You know, the question of 6 months of future, you can potentially destroy many lives.
NAT is taking full risk. No, sir. Sir, do not stop the progress of India. Please do not stop the progress of India. There is no risk. The risk has been mitigated. There are experts.
This is a global phenomenon.
So are you going against the Supreme Court? Are you going against the Supreme Court of India?
31.06 lakh cases overall in the India, and there is a high spike on the daily basis. In the last 24 hours, we had 61,408 cases overall across the India. Also, there are awkward situations like flood and various different problems all across the India. So I don't think it's a good idea to conduct JEE Main in the month of September. As we can see that courts, parliament and all other things are going online. Then how can government, NTA or HRD...
Okay, your audio is not very clear, but I did hear you there. Fundamental point being put. Let's keep it moving fast. Mandar Chitre, you're a parent. You want exams to be held. On the other side, the student argues that when even parliament has been put on hold, why can't this be put off for a while? Mandar.
Arnavji, I would like to say first that the Supreme Court of this country has given a judgment. Why are we challenging it? There are intelligent people, wise people in Supreme Court who have given us a judgment, number one. Number two, let us look at the statistics. 10 lakh aspirants are appearing for this exam. Now, if you see the top engineering colleges of India, the 23 NITs, the 23 IITs and 31 NITs, about 60 to 65 odd colleges are churning 31,000 best engineers of India and
but
of the world.
Is it worth putting the students
engineers
argue? There are those who are arguing, and I'd like you to hear from the students, and I want short replies. Soumya, maybe you'd like to speak up. The students are talking about the risk of going to an exam center at a time like this. Soumya, please. Soumya, go on.
So mainly the problem is about transportation. Here ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में अगर हमें जैसे मान लीजिए मेन सिटी हमारी सेंटर बनाई गई है, लखनऊ इज अ मेन सिटी, और जो रूरल एरिया से बच्चे आते हैं उन्हें ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन बंद है। ट्रांसपोर्टेशन जब बंद है तो वो कैसे ट्रैवल करेंगे? अगर वो ट्रैवल करते हैं तो क्या चांसेस नहीं है कि वो इन्फेक्ट होंगे? अगर वो इन्फेक्ट होते हैं तो इस बात की गारंटी कौन लेगा कि मतलब उनका जो इलाज है वो उसका एक्सपेंडिचर है, उसका खर्च कौन उठाएगा? क्योंकि हर कोई तो मतलब हायर फैमिली से बिलोंग नहीं करता है,
सुदेशन मंदर
क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करता है।